guys, welcome to my she shed. I'm Maida. Or welcome back. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I apologize about that. I've just been really occupied with other things in my life right now. But I did want to post a quick video. I tried to do these milk bath nails, but I kind of wanted to do my own twist on it. So I kind of did like an ombre type of style. So I did put on my full cover tips off camera. I apologize for that. I just didn't have the supplies to record at the time. So I did those off camera. And the first thing I did here was buff the shine off all the full cover tips. And then I cleaned the dust off. And then I put one layer of base coat on all the tips. And I cured for a full 60 seconds. And then once I did that, I'm going to go in with this pinkish nude color, which I love so much. I got it. It's an Amelie pinkish nude color, and I think it's so cute. It matches perfectly with my natural nails. And it was a really good price too. So I went ahead and did that on all my nails. I did 2 layers. So for the first layer, I did 1 layer and then I cured for 30 seconds. And then I went in with the second layer and cured for a full 60 seconds. As you can see in the video, I only did it on like the bottom part where you can see my natural nail, because like I said earlier, I kind of wanted to do like an ombre, like milk bath type of design. So that's what I did here today. I'm sorry for all the background noise. I kind of live on a busy street, so there's a lot of noise going on right now. And I'm also sorry for all the sniffling and stuff. I think I have allergies. I never knew that I did before, but I think I do. I seriously think this color looks like perfect. Okay, so for my milk bath design, I kind of wanted to try something different. So I decided to do a mixture of these gorgeous stickers and also, as you can see in the background, fake dried flowers. Both of these items I got from Shein. And I think I did unbox these in a previous Shein haul that I posted a few weeks ago. I think these stickers are so gorgeous. I love the colors, and I think the 2-pack was only $1, I think. And with these fake dried flowers, I think it was maybe $2 or $3 for 6 different types of fake dried flowers. I decided to do a mixture. Honestly, I realized after doing it that I could have just used the stickers, because the stickers were really way more like brighter and vivid compared to the fake dried flowers, and they were much easier to work with. So I definitely recommend trying to use stickers. These stickers that I have here are actually like a 5D type of set, but I think they turned out really cute. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the stickers how I want, whichever random design I wanted to do, on just like the top portion of the nail, because like I said earlier, I want to do like an ombre type of set. I did do the other nails off camera, and now I'm doing my index finger on camera. I did not speed up any of this because I kind of wanted to show you guys how long it actually takes to do this. I know this video is only like 16 minutes, but it literally did not take me that long to do this nail set. And I'm pretty sure if I had just used just the stickers, it would have been much shorter, but I think they came out pretty cute. I took a really long time trying to figure out which stickers I wanted to put where. I probably shouldn't have recorded this part, but I did, so. Finally decided on that one. These stickers were like so easy to work with. I definitely recommend using like stickers for like milk bath nails. And then for the fake dried flowers, I used the Macart rhinestone glue. And since they were fake dried flowers, they weren't really kind of bending to the way I wanted them to. So I did have to like place them and then hold them down while I flash cured them in the nail lamp. So I kind of just placed the fake flowers wherever I wanted, leaves and stuff. And every time I did put the leaf or fake dried flower on, I did have to push down and cure, like a flash cure, so that they stayed in place. And that's why I do recommend just using stickers, because you don't have to do any of that. It saves a lot of time. And now on to my thumb. I know I said it, but I think these flowers are like beautiful. They kind of look like butterflies in a way too. Yeah, I definitely recommend checking out the stickers and stuff from Shein. They're very good quality. I finally decided on the sticker, so now I'm going to place them on the thumb. So I did forget to mention, but once I did flash cure the fake dried flowers, and then after they were all done, I did do a full cure for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to be making my milk bath color. You can buy this already like this, but I didn't really want to spend the extra money, so I kind of just made my own milky bath color, which is so easy to do. You just use white and a top coat. Doesn't matter if it's no wipe or not. I think the one I used was not no wipe. But yeah, so you just mix the two together, and it's honestly based on your preference, like whatever you like how milky you want it. It's really up to you. And then I apologize in advance, but I did forget to record me actually putting it on the nails. But once I mixed it, as you can see the little mixture in the background, I just put it on the top part where the flowers were, and then I cured for a full 60 seconds. And once that was cured, I am going in with this builder gel. I'm encapsulating the whole nail so that it's a nice smooth finish and not like all bumpy and uneven. So once I put the builder gel, I did cure for a full 60 seconds, and then I wipe off the sticky layer with an alcohol wipe, and then I did file everything down until I was satisfied, until it was smooth, and I did wipe it with another alcohol wipe. And then once I did that, I did go in and put on this glass finish top coat, which is a no wipe top coat, and I think it is a really good top coat. It is a little on the expensive side, but it's definitely worth it. It's really good quality, and it just honestly, it's like literally a glass finish. And you can't really see the glass finish when it's like a milky nail, but it still looks gorgeous. It just like is so shiny. So once I put the top coat on, I did cure for a full 60 seconds. So this is how they turned out. I thought they looked really cool. Let me know what you guys think below. If you like the way I did it, if you like this design, if this was easy to follow, or if you prefer or recommend something else, or if you have any questions, let me know below. And also let me know if you prefer me filming a whole video with the nail prep and putting on the full cover tips, or if you rather prefer me just doing the design. If you do want to see my nail prep videos, every other video before this I have done nail prep pretty much, except for the haul videos. But let me know if you prefer to have them on every video. So I am sorry that this video is short, but let me know if you like them this short or if you don't. Let me know what you think of the design and how this set turned out. And like I was saying, I think it's like perfect for like a vacation type of set and like a springy type of set. But after I did the top coat, like I said earlier, I did cure for full 60 seconds, and now I'm going in with the cuticle oil. This cuticle oil I also got in the Shein haul that I did a few weeks ago. It's a green apple cuticle oil. Sorry. I really love this cuticle oil. It smells really good. And I just went ahead and put that on all my nails. I will be posting my pop art nail video soon, and then I will be posting a Temu nail haul video, I think next week. I'm just waiting for the items to come in. So if you like that kind of stuff, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Really appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have an amazing day. And thanks for watching. But yeah, this is how they turned out. I think they're so gorgeous. Thanks, guys. Bye.